Hello, this is John Otero. I'm the National Remote Field Commander Sales Manager, and today we're going to do an instructional video so that we can teach you how to maximize the use of your RFC unit. In this webinar, we're going to teach you how to customize graph and timestamps. However, if you need immediate customer service, or if you have any questions or need assistance, please call us at 1-800-658-5314, extension 217, or you can call 727-657-1563. What we're going to do now is connect to the RFC Charter software, which you do need to have on your laptop computer. Once you log in, you're going to have some jobs on the left-hand side here. And we're going to select, let's say, the Smith flood job. And you want it to take a look at what we have here. We can see that the job started at 7:29 and ended about 9:18. However, before you start your process of customizing your graph, you might want to put some notes in here. Maybe here is the drawing of the crawl space. And then save data to Excel. And here's where we can actually start to customize the report. So let's say the readings we had start at 7:28, but nothing really started until 7:51. So we can customize that, and you can also change the date if you want, but we'll leave that for now. In this report, what do you want to actually see? So we're going to put crawl space, let's say relative humidity, and we want another one for the crawl space of the air. And we're going to also show the crawl space for, let's say, the GPP. Now, how often do you want the reports? You're always going to get one report that is showing every minute. Okay, every minute that the RFC was on, we're going to get a timestamp. However, if you want to do every 15 minutes, you can do that. If you want to do once an hour or every 2 hours, you could do that. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to run this report, let's say, just to have fun, we're going to run this report every 23 minutes. And we'll show you how that works in a little bit. If you want to change the name, you can do that. And then we're going to start the export. And so at the bottom of the screen, we should start to see soon a green line that we're starting to export all the data to the report. Now, documentation, as you know, is very, very important to the insurance company. They want to know the job is done, and by actually providing these reports, you're going to have less pushback and get paid faster as well. So here's our report. So here's the graph. We have the crawl space GPP. We have the crawl space air temperature and the crawl space relative humidity. Now at the bottom, this is our quick data. Remember, we set it for every 23 minutes. Well, here's our report for every 23 minutes. This was not a long report. And here's also the data for every minute. So you'll have basically 3 reports. It'll be a quick report, quick data, and your timestamp. So these both are timestamps on that. And we'd recommend saving the report in a PDF format, and I'll show you the reason why, instead of an Excel format. So we're going to save as. Instead of Excel, we'll do PDF. We're going to save that. You could see the report is just a lot cleaner on there. Now the readings, just to let you know and remind you that these readings down here cannot be manipulated. They cannot be deleted or changed. So when you submit these reports, you can let them know that these are third-party verified to the adjuster, so they know that you did not manipulate or change the readings. But that's the how to customize your graphs and your reports. Again, if you have any questions, please call us at 1-800-658-5314, extension 217, or you can call us at 727-657-1563. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your support in using the Remote Field Commander. Have a great day.